Hi there, I'm Katie with WTI, and when my doctor told me that I should be taking vitamin D from September to April, I knew that I wanted to choose a brand I could trust and that packed the most benefits. So I went with this Garden of Life brand, vitamin code vitamin D3. I've used this brand for several years for lots of different supplements, and it's one that I can really tell a difference in how I feel. This is an easy to swallow capsule, and you can break it open if you're not good at swallowing vitamins and add it to something like water or applesauce. You'll notice that it has a green color, and that's because it has the added benefit of chlorella. And just this is applesauce, it's unsweetened, and I can taste it just a little bit. If anything, the only difference is that it adds kind of a powdery texture to the applesauce. So there is not much flavor to it, and that's only if you have to add it to something because you can't swallow the capsule. Overall, this is a really great product, and I have felt the benefits from it immediately, and that's just my point of view.